In this video, I'll show you how to easily enable or disable extensions in Chrome. Method 1. Using the Extensions menu. First, open Google Chrome on your PC. Click the puzzle icon near the address bar. This shows all your installed extensions. Click the three dots next to an extension. Select Manage Extension. Method 2. Using Chrome settings. You can also type Chrome://extensions in the address bar. Press Enter to open the extensions page. Use the toggle switch to turn an extension on or off. No restart is required. Disabling extensions can fix slow browsing, crashes, and website loading issues. That's it. You now know how to manage Chrome extensions easily. Subscribe for more quick PC, browser, and app fixes.